Hi YouTubers, uh, this is my another BMW 530e. As you can see, 530e BMW. We take out the battery, we are working on it, and inside is a 6 module. Number 1 underneath there, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6 underneath there. Okay, so at the moment we are state of charge, so we connect directly these two wires to supply the voltage to build the at least the minimum voltage of the battery, so we can put it back the car and we can see how it's work. Okay, so we found in this battery, we found the with the diagnostic we found two cells, number 1 which is 57.2 and number 5 59.4. and when we opened the battery we found number 4 and number 3 is much down as well. So if even the 0.1% the battery difference, it won't charge, because this is the lithium ion battery. Okay, so we have another battery is open, we are figure it out, this is 2020 and this is the 2017. It's just a difference, there is a plastic cover on it, and in here is no plastic cover. They put the seal after the plastic cover. Okay, so in this, as you see, these pipes run the air conditioned gas under there, so they're gonna fit like this. Okay, and it should be goes in like this underneath this battery module, and that's the same with the other side. Basically I didn't put it yet because I'm charging with my cable. Okay, so I just reconnect all the battery, I disconnect with the junction box. Is a black, is this, you can see that's the junction box, is a few relays inside, and there is the BMS battery control module, so that there is a connection for high voltage, and that's the, it goes to the BMS ECU. Okay, so it's quite difficult to take out this battery. As you can see, that's the high voltage cable, and we disconnect. First we take out the exhaust pipe, then we take out these, the drift bar to the rear suspension. Okay, so these are the two. It's not easy to take that one out because it need a 52 socket, which is quite big. I can show you that's the one. Okay, we use this, we shrink with the grinder both sides, as you can see, so try to fix, because there's a very little space in between. So, and just careful with this shaft because the threads on there. Okay, you see these threads. Okay, so that's fixed on the rear suspension, and this pipe will join from the other end of this, and that goes to the front gearbox. Okay, so and this car wasn't charged, wasn't take any voltage. As you see, we disconnect the 12 volt auxiliary batteries. There's two auxiliary batteries in there, and there is the socket. You can see we disconnect as well. That's the safety clip for the hybrid battery, high voltage. Okay, so that's the main thing. Somebody opened this car before us, so they take out the air conditioned gas before us, so we didn't take out the air conditioned gas. So when we fix everything back, and before we start, we try to, you know, put some air conditioned gas in it, and then we'll see how it's gonna work. First, we're gonna put this car for state of charge, so it will be balance himself. At the moment we are balancing all these cells through our machine. So that's the 5 series 530E hybrid battery, and it's quite big, as you can see here, full picture. And the top cover is here in the side, so you know, that's the battery. I hope we will fix this car and then we'll see how it's run. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.